Welcome to Pedrazzoli's Stern Brown 160 electro-hydraulic end forming machine. In this demonstration, you'll see a reduction from a diameter of 62 by 7 millimeters down to a diameter of 50. The process includes forming a cylindrical section with a length of 73 millimeters, calibrating the part to an internal diameter of 34 millimeters, and completing the operation with front milling using a rotating tool. The Stern Brown 160 end former is equipped with Pedrazzoli's IMS intelligent motion software developed for controlling end forming operations. Software allows operator to visualize part, create, copy, and execute program via touch screen. This example highlights the machine's precision, flexibility, and capability to handle complex end forming operations with confidence. Thanks for taking the time to watch this demonstration of the Pedrazzoli Super Brown 160. If you'd like to learn more about our end forming capabilities or discuss how this machine could support your production needs, we'd be glad to help. We appreciate your interest in Pedrazzoli end forming machines and look forward to connecting with you.